Hi guys.
Hi guys.
So it's April 9th. Welcome to this week's video. And we're going to be doing some more work around the house,
Yes.
right? Some gardening. What else?
Yeah, so we've been doing a lot of research on no-dig gardening. So we finally found some compost.
We'll explain more as we do it. Actually, we've been looking for compost. So we're going to make our own, which is another thing that we're going to be doing on this video. You'll be able to see us. We're going to try and put together a compost bin out of pallets. We also had we have a bed that we're going to be, like Laura saying, a no dig, but part of a lava wall actually fell inward. We've been kind of fixing it. So there's quite a few things for this one. Again, it's a simple.
Yeah, but we'll show you when we're over at the house. Oh, Nuno's here.
Give you a quick update on the electrical. We've had Nuno, the electrical guy, come in a few times. Today he's back in here, and it's just to give you a quick update that the work's it started, and it's probably a lot's been going on. As you can see, the blue wiring. We'll have a video just for the electrical and some of the other renos that have been taking place. More of an update. Just for now, I just want to let you guys know that a bit of everything's happening. So a bit of gardening, a bit of electrical, and so forth.
So we gotta take the wheelbarrow into the back, and but I can't film and do the wheelbarrow, so you're gonna have to do it. I'm gonna show you guys what we're doing in the back now. We're just going to show you a few things that we're doing here in the back.
Never thought I'd be fixing these lava walls. They're crazy. Anyways, I should explain what happened. Let me just put this back in here. But these rocks, they do look heavy. They're a bit heavy, but they're actually pretty light considering. We were ready to do a no-dig, kind of prepare this for some gardening. And I think you were closest to here. And all of a sudden, half of this wall just comes down with mostly rocks like this. They're not very big, so that's what happened. Originally, probably years ago, this wall was made with a lot of small stuff. Just a place to put the rocks, and we created some sort of a wall. We decided to reinforce this, and as you can see, put a lot of these heavy rocks here, and if there's any more, they'll fall in there. That's the idea anyways. Someone from here is probably going to say, well, usually we build these rocks straight up, right? But mostly this wall's not really for that. It's more, I actually did it in a bit of an angle to go against the gravity. So this is on an incline. Just in case there's more coming, there's enough heavy rocks that can hold these smaller rocks from falling down. And that's pretty much, so we had to bring rocks from all over around here, which is our plenty. But like this one is pretty heavy. Look at all just the different sizes of rocks, that we can, they all have their own smaller ones, different makes of lava. It's incredible, actually. You just got to remember that all the vineyards are inside these walls. And they say that if you take each rock and they can go around the planet 1.5 times. All the rocks that you would find on these walls. It's incredible.
All the rocks you would find on Pico.
On Pico, that's right. Now, I never thought I'd be doing these rocks like this.
You're doing a great job.
Well, I mean, as long as it could hold that. I mean, it's not, I'm sure there's always, I see some amazing work done out there. But yeah, it'll serve its purpose.
Okay guys, so we've cleared all the rocks as you saw, and this is where we're going to put our little garden, and we're going to do no dig. So I don't know if any of you have heard of no dig. It's been around for quite a long time. There's a gentleman that we've been watching on YouTube. His name's Charles Dowding. So if you want to look more into the no-dig method, he's a great person to watch, very educational. So you have to start with cardboard. So you put your cardboard down on the ground. I have to actually cut these. And you kind of layer them on top of each other. So we're going to put them all down down here. And then we found some compost, this is organic compost. So there's sheep and cow manure. So this is really good for flowers, for vegetables, or anything you want to grow. This is going to go on top of the cardboard. And with time, the cardboard is going to disintegrate and compost into the ground. And we just find that this is a really easy way to do gardens instead of digging all the weeds out. This also helps to keep the weeds down as well. So eventually it will kill all the weeds, and it's a way of not disturbing the nutrients inside the ground. So the bugs and the worms and it keeps all the nutrients inside. So that's what we're doing. We're experimenting with this. This is our first time doing it. And we're pretty excited about it.
What are we going to plant here?
We're going to do some herbs.
And what herbs are you putting on here?
Herbs, probably basil and parsley and oregano and chives. So probably every kind of herb you could think of, we're going to try and plant it here. That's the plan.
How's the day going? What's the weather like today?
Slightly cloudy, a little bit sunny.
But look at the
There's a
ocean.
little bit of a wind. It's beautiful. The ocean is very calm right now.
Yeah, it matches our car.
Yeah,
and the sky too. Look at it. Yeah, this is gonna be great. The no dig. When I first heard about it, when Laura told me, I was shaking my head.
He was totally against
it.
Before I even opened my mouth.
Makes a lot of sense.
Yes, it does.
Anyways, we're experimenting. That's gonna be fun, right?
I think it will be. Let's go. Guys, so this is how far we've gotten. We put the compost down, and just to show you a little bit what this looks like. It's light and fluffy.
It doesn't smell.
It's not wet. It's actually really nice compost.
Yeah, very nice.
Very nice. There's like some little wood chips in here, and anyways. So one of the things you have to remember is you have to take the plastic tape off. This cannot go on the ground, and any staples as well has to be removed. And don't use cardboard boxes that have that are shiny. We don't want that. Just very plain cardboard. Okay, guys. So this is how far we got with our compost garden. So now we just have to do a little bit of watering. And then let it sit overnight. We're going to put some of the plastic over top of it.
Yeah.
And then we'll start gardening.
Yeah, I think I see plants already growing here. Did you sneak one in there?
Yeah, I'm just going to do a very light.
And we're going to cover it, yeah. I can see some nice herbs coming out of here. Some really nice herbs. Oh, this. Do you want to tell them what we're going to put in there and that's empty space?
Oh yeah, so we're probably. Hey Joe, hey, Joe's here helping too. Yeah, so.
Hey Joe, say hello to your fans out there.
I'm the waterman today.
Water boy.
Okay, so this little spot here, we're gonna put another garden bed here, probably made out of pallets.
Yeah, like what do you call those?
A pot. I don't know. What's it
You
called?
said it before, yeah.
It's a garden. So in this spot here, we're going to build a planter out of pellets. So we can add some more plants to it and herbs and whatever we can think of. So I planted some cabbage and some Brussels sprouts. Tomatoes, we'll see. Might be a little late for those. Some basil. I thought I had oregano, but the packet was empty, so I'm going to have to get some more. And I did plant some dahlias back at the house in Lodge in a pot, and something seems to be eating it. So I'm going to try and plant them in the compost, which I didn't do in the pot back in Lodge. So let's see how well these come up. It's an experiment. We're going slow, learning as we go. So here's the bed that we did yesterday, and we did cover it with some plastic, but look at the rain that we got. Quite a bit. Carlos is doing a barbecue again, and oh, we have our neighbors back, our neighbor cows. They're here cutting our lawn again. And let's just see how they're doing. Hi, guys. And there's a little baby, much bigger now. Hi, guys. How's it going? Oh, and there's another baby cow just around the corner. Actually, he's lying down exactly where we want to put our compost bin. Hi. Uh-oh. And guess what I just stepped in?
Poop again! He called the shit poop!
I just stepped in cow poop. But the cow poop is very good for compost, except not on my shoe. Carlos isn't here, but oh, look at that. It was a little bit wet on the bottom, and we were a little concerned that we wouldn't be able to light the fire, but it looks like it's going pretty good. And I'm hungry. You are the expert.
I'm learning.
You're learning now.
This is churrasco a la Pico Pig Pen. I love using this. Look at this.
It's not pigsty anymore. It's pig pen.
It's a pig pen. This is my. It's my new. What do you call those? What the guys make it in the basement?
It's a man cave, not a.
Yeah.
It's a pig cave.
Yeah.
Wow, that's gonna be awesome.
Look at this, eh? Just cut it with a. It's very tender.
Oh, I can't wait to eat this.
Yeah, it's really good. It's like a little bit of this lemon again. Lemon and salt. That's all we use. Lemon and salt. Lemon and salt from Pico. Vai ser bom. Vai ser bom. I'm telling you, this is. Look at this. It's like how juicy is this? Look at this. Juicy. You squeeze it. It's unbelievable. Huh?
Just finished lunch and back on the bed. So I'm just compressing the compost just a little bit as we go along, just to see. We might have to add a little bit more to the bed, but we just want to lightly compact it because it's better for the roots when they grow. All right, so I'm just gonna put some of this
It's like a mulch.
Yeah, that we found in the garden. So we're just going to add that to our path. Sure. So I think I'm going to have to move these rocks though.
Yeah.
Because they're in the way. Okay, we're all done. We'll have to get a few more wood chips just to finish the rest of it, but This is our little walking path. This is going to be good.
Awesome. So guys, we're going to end the video here. We hope you enjoyed it. Obviously, this was another one of our really nice, simple
luxury by nature.
a day in the life of our life. You know, to go out. Anyways, we always feel that you're with us, obviously. And this was just another great day. And if you can see right behind us, Pico is peeking behind us. So a lot of times it's covered, but today it's just there's a bit of wind, but it's just gorgeous. So we can't beat this, I know. And we did this video on no dig. It's an experiment that we're trying.
Yeah.
And we'll keep you updated. It's a work in progress. And
the next
part
good. Of this is the compost bins made out of pallets.
Yeah. And
so we did have some pallets delivered, so that will be the next project.
Yeah, and this, how would you like the chicken?
Oh, the chicken was awesome.
There is another update. Actually, Laura doesn't even know what I'm going to say here. I will be converting this pig pen into my man cave. All right, so I'll keep you posted. So what else can we say here before we end? We really appreciate your comments. You guys have been great, sending us very positive comments. We feel that you're right there and right here, actually, and with us.
And we get a lot of comments that we inspire you, but to be honest, guys, you inspire us too, to continue doing these vlogs.
Yeah, I mean, it is something crazy. It's just as we build on video by video, we can just see how many great people are out there. I always believed, and we always believed, that there's way more nice people out there than bad people.
Yeah. So once this COVID finishes, we hope that a lot of you guys that have been watching and have commented that you want to come over, that'll happen soon.
Yeah, and we'll be here waiting for you. Okay, we'll even pick you up at the airport.
That's if we're not in Canada.
That's true. Well, we'll get one of my cousins to pick you up.
Yeah, you'll be taken care of.
All right. So anyway, so
please like and subscribe to our video. If this is your first time, we're introducing ourselves now.
Yeah,
I'm Laura.
And I'm Carlos. And all right.
Join our journey.
And we're not professionals, but we're pretty raw, and we just try to we try our best, basically.
Yeah.
And what else can we say?
So we will see you in the next video, guys.
All right. Thumbs up.
Take care. Thumbs up. See ya.